Layoffs, program cuts, and less money. These are the latest campus concerns at the state's 19 county colleges. With enrollment shrinking and budget gaps growing, many campuses are being forced to make some tough decisions. Brianna Venozzi reports.
If there's one word to sum up county colleges in the state, higher education officials say it's access. Access for those who may not otherwise have the opportunity to go to college.
I'm here on a grant, so I have to see where that's going. I'd like to continue with my education, but even having a two-year degree will hopefully help me get a little better job.
But as the state and counties are cutting their budgets, community colleges are finding it harder and harder to provide it.
We're facing challenges, and it's not unique. It's national. There have been cuts in state spending on a national basis.
Harry D'Amato is the interim president at Sussex County College. Last year, Sussex had the highest graduation rate of any county college in the state. But just last week, the college announced layoffs of 10 staff and 2 faculty members. At the same time, they eliminated 3 programs. D'Amato says diminished public funding makes finding solutions tough.
In New Jersey, there's a state formula that theoretically 33% of the tuition comes from state support, 33% of the tuition comes from county support, and the rest is student. But that's become a theory and not a reality.
Add to that a recent decline in enrollment, the largest source of revenue, and the problems are compounded.
Invariably, tuition will go up, and that tuition will go up more than we want it to go up, more than we think is reasonable. But again, you're going to see this across the state and across the nation.
The New Jersey Council of County Colleges believes the number of students is directly related to the economy, and they say there is a new factor at play with the decrease, the health care reform law.
We are seeing many more students move from full-time enrollment to part-time enrollment, since they don't have to worry about health insurance issues.
And while the decline in enrollment may have been unexpected as numbers had been up in previous years, the battle with this year's budget came as no surprise.
We think that this trend in declining public funding for higher education is not going to stop tomorrow. It's going to be a long-term trend.
Travel down the state to Ocean County College, one of the largest in New Jersey with nearly 15,000 students. The administration here has also had to lay off support staff to battle financial problems, and they've created a comprehensive restructuring plan.
That we could save in a number of different ways, using energy conservation, investment in enterprises that we have not done in the past, partnering with other institutions, but most especially increasing our growth rate in student enrollment by reaching out through distance learning to a larger community of potential students.
While they've been able to keep all programs intact and tuition at a steady level for 2 years, this is the first year the county has decreased aid to the college, and tuition increases for the next fiscal year have not been ruled out. Cost, students say, is a top factor in choosing to attend community college. Is it more affordable?
It's a lot cheaper. It's a lot more affordable. It's only a couple $1,000s a semester, so it's a lot easier than going to a 4-year school.
Because I know kids here in a 4-year school and they still don't know what they want to do. They're in the same boat I am, so I don't know, just have a little bit more money in my pocket.
So with little funding on the books, colleges are researching ways to stay viable, like partnerships with 4-year institutions, which has proven a success for places like Ocean County College. In the meantime, they're hopeful the governor's budget message later this month will have promising news. Brianna Venozzi, NJN News.